Okay, Nicodemus, next, our next episode will be taking the wheels off. We have 3 wheels on the car, so we're gonna take them off. So I'm gonna use this impact right here.
Can I use it?
Let me show you first, and then we, you know. Yeah, you think you know?
I saw.
Oh, there you go. We got 1. In the back. Okay, well, this one was easy. Go ahead. You don't want to hold it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so we. Okay. Okay. Nice rotors, calipers, red calipers. They will be for sale. Okay, go try the front again. Wow. This is cool, guys. Look at these wheels. You have to pump from both sides. No, actually, yeah, both sides. I never seen anything like this. Just a little bit. We want to block the wheel, so a little more. That's it. Ugh, it's hard.
Probably got jammed from a crash.
No. Yeah, we're gonna extend a little, make a little longer bar, but I gotta find the right tube for that. There we go. We got 1. Okay. How many we have? We need 1 more. Ouch! Hurt myself a little, but it's okay. You get hurt sometimes. 1 more wheel to break, and let's see.
What? This wheel is bad.
Well, we need the caliper.
It reminds me of Lightning McQueen.
That's it. Okay.
Lightning McQueen.
Yep. I think, yeah, we're saving this caliper right here and this brake disc. I'm pretty sure that nothing's happened to it, so we're gonna sell it as a set, Nicodemus. And I'll show you how to take pictures, post them on eBay.
You might do it like a couple weeks
later. I mean, it's gonna be in a while. Yep. So now our car is without the wheels, without rear bumper, and we can also take the reinforcements out. But this is it for this episode. We've done our job. Cool. Thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up.